Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I'm here at my friend's house. She's just behind the camera watching me film this. It's kind of hi Karina. She's given me a Toblerone bar. So this is literally my breakfast today. It's nearly 2 o'clock and we're going out to rent some scooters, and over there we'll have, I think we've decided on Greg's today. So I'll film that in the next clip. But now I am just eating a mini Toblerone bar. Oh, I just dropped it. This is so awkward. Okay. I've also got a little bottle of water with me. Where is my water? Oh. I'm here at the beach with Karina today. We're going to play a bit of frisbee and rent some scooters out. I've got Greg's with me today, so this is what I'm actually eating. I'll show you what I'm eating. So a Greg's baguette, got a packet of crisps with me and some water. So, yum.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet.
Who? I can't even see you guys.
Oh my god, it's you! Oh, you're
Hello.
so cute!
Oh no.
It's okay! You're gorgeous! Come on! Have a nice day!
So I've just finished everything. Finished my baguette and my crisp. Half a bottle of water, if you want to know how much water I've drank today. So I've drank half a bottle of water.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even...
You're like, oh my god. Okay, hold on.
Okay, I haven't
You need
done
to
this
learn
in
how
a
to
very
throw
long
it. You need to
time.
keep
I
it-
haven't done this
okay,
in a very long
Okay, but keep it straight, okay?
Okay.
No!
No.
You didn't even try with that one. The wind as well.
Is it the wind?
Yeah, it's the wind. Anisha, your skirt keeps running up there.
Can you see my vagina? Hi guys, so today is the next day because I didn't actually end the video yesterday. The last clip that you saw was me eating my McDonald's. So I had a medium fries with a McFlurry, and what I do when I get those two is I dip my fries into the McFlurry and I eat it that way because it is so yummy. The saltiness of the fries and the McFlurry, yum. So I had that for my dinner, and also yesterday I literally ate my breakfast, lunch and dinner in the space of 4 hours. So yeah, I just want to say that that's not how I eat every single day. It was just a busy day yesterday, and yeah. So I've got with me now, oh, wow, I'm such a fucking idiot. So I've got with me some pizza, and where's my dip? Oh, where's my dip? Oh, some garlic dip. And because I started the video yesterday at 2 o'clock, I thought I'd just start it. It's like way before. It's 11 o'clock and this is my first meal. So I've got some leftover pizza. Yeah, so as I was saying, what I showed you yesterday is not what I eat like every single day, obviously. It's not like I go to Greg's and McDonald's every single day. I only ate like that because obviously I was out the whole day. I was busy the whole day. Yeah. And I literally only ate from 2 to 6. Like, I ate all my McDonald's before it hit 6, so... I got this pizza like 2 days ago. And I don't know about you guys, but if it's obviously like Domino's and I don't know, just like more of the expensive pizza places, I like that more when it's like fresh. But when it's like cheaper pizzas like this one that I have, literally, I got this pizza, wings, garlic bread, and a bottle of Pepsi for like £11. I always prefer like heating it up myself and eating it the next day. So I was editing the this video that you're watching, before this clip. It is literally less than 4 minutes long. This is why I wanted to make this a 24-hour video. After that one slice, I'm actually quite full. It is my first meal, so I've still got these 2 slices left. I really want to start dieting. Not dieting, but eating a lot healthier, but I'm just so lazy. So if anyone wants to, like, in the comments below, let me know how to motivate myself to eat healthy, please do, because I do need the help. I don't know whether I even told you what's in this on this pizza. So there is pepperoni, like beef bits, cheese. To be honest, I don't even know myself what's in this. I just got like the meat pizza. I'm feeling super full. I hope you guys have liked this what I eat on a day. Maybe the next one I'll actually do cooking, because this is a no cooking what I eat in a day, clearly, because I cooked nothing. But maybe my next one will be all cooking, showing you guys like some recipes and all of that. I don't think I'll be able to finish that third one, actually. I think that's too much for like first thing in the morning, maybe. I woke up at like 7 today though. It's now 11. And I was super hungry when I woke up, so I thought I'd be able to finish this, but I still have one more pizza slice left, as you can see. But yeah. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this what I eat in a day on a busy day, because as you saw, I did no cooking. So it's not a realistic what I eat in a day. It's a what I eat in a day where I do no cooking and I am busy. So if you guys like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to see more. And next time I will try and do a cooking kind of video, because I do want to cook a lot more. Since being in this house, I've actually cooked, and like, I've rarely cooked, so I do want to start cooking more. So next what I eat in a day will be all cooking, I hope, fingers crossed. I will just see you guys in the next video.